गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स. मागच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण पाहिलं होतं केमिकल रिॲक्शन्स ऑफ अल्कोहोल. केमिकल रिॲक्शन्स ऑफ अल्कोहोल मध्ये फर्स्ट आपण पाहिलं होतं देर आर टू टाइप्स ऑफ रिॲक्शन शोन बाय अल्कोहोल इन विच फर्स्ट इज व्हॉट रिॲक्शन इन्व्हॉल्विंग ब्रेकिंग ऑफ OH बॉन्ड. इन दॅट रिॲक्शन इन्व्हॉल्विंग ब्रेकिंग ऑफ OH बॉन्ड फर्स्ट रिॲक्शन आपण पाहिली होती रिॲक्शन विथ मेटल. Now today we will see the second reaction, that is esterification reaction, formation of an ester. अल्कोहोल पासून इस्टर फॉर्मेशन करणे. तर पहा आता इकडे सेकंड रिएक्शन आहे इस्टरिफिकेशन. इस्टरिफिकेशन रिएक्शन. इस्टरिफिकेशन or it is also known as formation of ester. ओके. जे इस्टर फॉर्मेशन करण्याकरता अल्कोहोल पासून इस्टर कसं प्रिपेअर्ड होणार, हाऊ टू प्रिपेअर्ड इस्टर फ्रॉम दॅट अल्कोहोल. सो देयर आर थ्री टाइप्स ऑफ रिएजेंट वी यूज हियर. फर्स्ट वी यूज द एसिटिक ऍसिड. सेकंडली वी कॅन ऑल्सो यूज एसिटिक अनहायड्रेट. और thirdly we can use what there is the acetyl chloride. पहिली रिएक्शन पाहता फॉर्मेशन ऑफ इस्टर मध्ये फर्स्ट reaction with here first reaction with acetic acid reaction with acetic acid. So in this reaction when alcohol is react with acetic acid, so alcohol we take a general example, that is CH3 CH2OH, ethyl alcohol. When this ethyl alcohol is react with acetic acid, that is CH3COOH, it is known as acetic acid. So when alcohol is react with acetic acid, this reaction takes place in presence of acidic medium, H positive, any acidic medium. So what happened? There is breaking off. As our heading tells us that reaction involving breaking of OH bond. जे कोणता बॉन्ड ब्रेक करायचा आपल्याला अल्कोहोल मधला OH बॉन्ड. So breaking of this bond takes place. This bond get break. Here O negative and H positive. Here CH3COOH. So this COH bond it will break. Bond break towards oxygen atom. And if it will break towards oxygen, so OH carries negative charge and carbon carries a positive charge. Okay. H positive is react with what? OH negative. ये H positive OH negative के साथ में react होके H2O मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव हो जाएगा और हमें यहाँ पर मिल सकता है CH3CO O CH2CH3. That is a formation of ester. So what we get here, CH3CO, this CH3CO as it is, then O C2H5, or we can write CH2 single bond CH3. So here formation of CH3CO, here O C2H5. Okay. So one alkyl group present, second alkyl group present, and in between there is presence of this C double O, that is presence of an formation of an ester molecule. म्हणजे R C double O R dash. Here R C double O, again oxygen single bond with R dash, and it is called as a ester. So here formation of ester. Now ethyl methyl ester. Name of that ester is what? Ethyl methyl ester. समझली reaction? Very simple reaction. When ethyl alcohol is react with acetic acid in presence of acidic medium, it gives formation of ethyl methyl ester with the loss of water molecule. H2O molecule get removed here. So here loss of plus H2O. So here loss of water molecule. So this is the first reaction. Now we will see the second type of reaction. Second reaction, that is reaction with reaction with acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. Okay, reaction with acetic anhydride. So in case of acetic anhydride, we know that the structure of acetic anhydride is what? CH3, C double bond with O, again single bond with O, here carbon, double bond with O, single bond with CH3. That is CH3COO, it is known as the acetic anhydride. So this reagent is used for the formation of ester. मग पहा ऍसिटिक अनहायड्रेट ची रिएक्शन आपल्याला अल्कोहोल सोबत करायची. सो अल्कोहोल अगेन वी टेक द जनरल एक्झाम्पल इथिल अल्कोहोल. सो वी कॅन टेक हियर C2H5OH कॉल्ड एज व्हॉट? इथिल अल्कोहोल. पहा इथिल अल्कोहोल आपण CH3CH2OH असं पण लिहू शकतो किंवा त्यालाच और मध्ये डायरेक्टली C2H5OH. So when this ethyl alcohol is react with, this is acetic anhydride. When ethyl alcohol is react with acetic anhydride, again this reaction takes place in presence of acidic medium. So in presence of acidic medium, that is in presence of any acid. So here we take general H positive. So when ethyl alcohol react with acetic anhydride, परत काय होईल? There is breaking of OH bond takes place. This OH bond get break. Here O negative, H positive. Again here what happens? CH3CO single bond with O. So one of the CO bond get break here. Suppose this bond break toward this side. So O negative and carbon positive. This negatively charged oxygen atom, it will abstract H positive, and what we get here, loss of this H positive, and it is react with this CH3COO negative. So that CH3COO and hydrogen, that is acetic acid, get removed, and we get CH3COOC2H5. Again there is formation of ester. So here we get CH3COOC2H5 plus CH3COOH, and it is again formation of an ester, that is ethyl methyl ester. So name of that ester is what? Ethyl methyl ester. समजली का? सेकंड रिएक्शन सिंपल है. इथिल अल्कोहोल is react with acetic anhydride in presence of acidic medium. First of all, OH bond get break. H positive is react with this oxygen negative. So that CH3COOH, acetic acid, get removed, and this CH3CO is attached to the oxygen. So there is formation of CH3COOC2H5, that is ethyl methyl ester. समजल्या दोन्ही रिएक्शन्स? ओके. आता थर्ड रिएक्शन तो आपण रिएक्शन विथ ऍसिटिल क्लोराइड. अल्कोहोलची रिएक्शन ऍसिटिल क्लोराइड सोबत. अगेन त्या पण रिएक्शन मध्ये काय होईल? देयर इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एन ईस्टर मॉलिक्यूल. ईस्टर मॉलिक्यूल इज फॉर्म देयर. अंडरस्टँड दिस टू रिएक्शन? ओके. आता थर्ड रिएक्शन है रिएक्शन विथ acetyl chloride. Third type of reaction. Third reaction with acetyl chloride. कशासोबत रिएक्ट होईल? acetyl chloride सोबत. अगेन अल्कोहोल C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol is react with acetyl chloride, that is CH3CO, here CH3COCl, called as what? Acetyl chloride. So when that ethyl alcohol is react with acetyl chloride in presence of, now it will require the catalyst. So in presence of that pyridine, in presence of pyridine, reaction occurs, and what we get here, OH, again breaking of O and H bond, OH bond get break, oxygen negative and hydrogen positive. Here CH3COCl, so bond break towards what? Cl. Cl कडे break will. Why bond break towards Cl? Because Cl is more electronegative than carbon. Therefore Cl carries negative charge and carbon carries a positive charge. So here loss of this H positive and this Cl negative. HCl get removed and we get CH3CO OC2H5. So here again formation of CH3CO OC2H5 plus HCl. Okay. So again there is a formation of ester molecule, that is ethyl methyl ester. So in this way we can prepare ester. This is ethyl methyl ester. समजलं तिन्ही reactions? And here this first reaction, that is reaction involving breaking of OH bond is over. Okay. समजलं इथपर्यंत? तिन्ही reaction समजल्या? First reaction, that is reaction of alcohol with what? Alcohol is react with first of all acetic acid. Secondly, it is react with acetic anhydride. And in the third reaction, it is react with acetyl chloride. And तीनों रिएक्शंस में, तीनों भी रिएक्शन में क्या होता है? देयर इज फॉर्मेशन ऑफ एन ईस्टर मॉलिक्यूल. ईस्टर हम लोगों को मिलता है. समझ में आई आपको ये रिएक्शन? ओके, ठीक है, राइट डाउन कर लो. C2H5OH plus CH3COCl in presence of pyridine gives CH3CO OC2H5 plus HCl. ठीक आहे, समजलं इथपर्यंत? काही प्रॉब्लेम आहे? ठीक आहे. बाकीचं नेक्स्ट, बाकीचा जो पार्ट आहे आपण, दॅट इज रिएक्शन इन्व्हॉल्विंग ब्रेकिंग ऑफ नाउ कार्बन अँड O बॉन्ड, दॅट इज OH group get removed there. So this reaction we will see in the next lecture. Okay, happy learning.